Hello everybody, in this lesson I will teach you how the number system expanded into the real number system. The real number system consists of many different classifications. We start with natural numbers and the symbol is capital letter N, and the numbers are starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then we build it out to whole numbers and the symbol is capital letter N with a little 0. And now we add the number 0. So the whole numbers are from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Integers. Integers extend the whole numbers to include negative numbers. The symbol for integers is a capital letter Z, and there you can see that integers now include negative numbers 0 and the natural numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which can be written as a fraction, a recurring decimal, or a decimal that terminates. The symbol for rational numbers is a capital letter Q. And now you'll find examples. So there's 2 over 3, 0,3 recurring, or 0,75. Irrational numbers are numbers which cannot be written as a fraction, are non-recurring and non-terminating. The most famous irrational number is the number pi. The symbol for irrational numbers is a capital letter Q with a little accent. And now there's examples of irrational numbers. So it's pi, root 5, root 3, even negative root 7. Let's complete this table and see where the numbers fit in. The first one is 2.5, which we can write as 2,5, and then that one is a rational number and a real number. The next one, root 3 and a 16th, can be written as 49 over 16, and then it's still the square root of that, which is 7 over 4, which is 1,75. So that number is rational and real. The next one, the cube root of 0,027 is the same as 0,3, which is rational and real. The next one, 5 times pi, is irrational and real. Then this one, negative root 3, is the same as negative 3. Negative root 9 is the same as negative root 3, which is an integer, rational and real. 0,876 is rational and real, and then 8 over 2 is the same as 4, which is a natural number, a whole number, an integer, rational and real. In the next video, I will discuss ratio and rate. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video.